Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for FET price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Let's start with our bullish and bearish scenarios for FET. Of course, as we mention always, we have of course a bearish scenario, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 5 waves down, probably for a wave C, and then expanding a flat of course for a wave C. Probably also that you have a W, X, and Y. The difference with it, of course, is your structure in the last wave. Rather than having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you would like to have just 3 waves toward the downside as A, B, and a C, finishing a wave Y around the 1-to-1 fib level, of course, for a wave Y, while your wave C as 5 waves impulsive might reach of course even deeper for 1.618, which is not nice of course maybe to see for FET in case it dies very low. Now the bullish scenario, those were your bullish. The bullish scenario, we have finished 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then you have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, as you can see, very short wave C, and that is a running flat here, which it has turned, of course, this scenario or this bearish scenario into a bullish scenario, and you would like to see a reversal starting from that price action. This is exactly what we saw as 1, 2, and then probably here you finish your wave 2 very close to your fib levels at the green box. So let's see what's gonna happen in the next 1 hour chart here. At the 1 hour chart, we can see guys that yeah, we are looking for an impulse toward the downside. We were still looking for this impulse where we would like to finish an ABC. So 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as usual. However, we did not took the wave of 5, especially after having kind of a consolidation here. Always it is a kind of a triangle, and when you have a triangle A, B, C, D, and E, your wave E towards the upside, therefore continuation will be of course downwards. However, we saw, of course, higher prices. We didn't took the low. We didn't took a wave 5. Therefore, something else is unfolding here. And this might be, of course, an A, B, and a C. Probably still, of course, until invalidation of your wave C. And that means invalidation of your wave C means it's going to turn into a Y rather than C. Y is going to be a wave Y because it's going to be a W, 3 waves down, 3 waves up for X, 3 waves down for a Y. And that means, of course, finishing with a zigzag. This is a wave Y for W, X, and Y, triple zigzag complex structure. And then, of course, moving towards the upside, of course, impulsively. Now, the only thing that I don't like in this area is in case we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, this is a very low possibility because we lost momentum for every 1, 2 here. And yeah, I think this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 has already started from here. Therefore, I think we have here first possibility as bearish. We have an A, and then a B as a triangle, of course, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave C, still not invalidating your wave 4, of course, and you might still looking for lower prices until we interfere with the zone 1 here as invalidation point for an impulse. Therefore, the possibility of a bearish scenario still open in FET so far, and we might, of course, dive deeper after finishing this impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then moving, of course, impulsively again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the downside for a wave 5. In your bullish scenario, you have a 1, 2 here. Now, your 1, 2 cannot be a triangle. It's very rare possibility that we have a triangle as a wave 2, by the way. So we have to consider, of course, here a W, X, and a Y somehow as a wave 2. So 1, 2, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for another 1 here, 2, and then continuation toward the upside. So you have finished probably, as we said, probably you have finished here an impulse. Which it require a wave 2 right now. As you can see, you have very high amount of volume, by the way, here in your wave 3, which is this one after having 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so if that is your wave 3, that's nice. Okay, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 possibly. Yeah. in that case, you will invalidate, yeah, so highest possibility maybe to invalidate your bearish scenario, and then continuation toward the upside, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 has higher possibility, right? Currently. So that was it for FET. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.